In today's admission process of universities and competitive job market, standing out is crucial. One powerful tool that helps international candidates across Europe in this is Europass CV, that is EPCV. But what exactly EPCV is and why is it important, we'll discuss in this video. So stay tuned till the end. EPCV is a standardized format for curriculum vitae that people can use across Europe, and it is one of the best known CV formats there. Whether you are applying to a university for study purpose or you are applying for a job in Europe, EPCV is the first step towards building a strong profile. In India, people send CVs in any format, but in Europe, if you are applying to a university or reaching out to an employer, it's always recommended to use a CV in EPCV format. It shows your quality of professionalism, and additionally, this format allows you to prepare a matching cover letter for your application as well. Now let's see how can you prepare your EPCV by yourself. There is a website named Europar.eu. This is an amazing website for preparing an EPCV in just few minutes. When you open this website, you will get to a page like this. After logging in from here, you just have to click on create a new profile. You have to fill in the required details like your name, surname, date of birth, address and a few words to describe yourself. Then you will be adding your contact details and other required information. Later you will be asked to put a profile picture on your EPCV. And then you can add more sections to your CV to make it strong, like your educational qualifications, work experience, etc. Now just select a template of your choice and then your EPCV will be ready. Now you might have a doubt that is a normal CV accepted in Europe. So let me tell you, the universities and companies in European countries like Italy, they ask for a properly made EPCV as they already mention the requirement of a EPCV in their checklist. Normal CV is accepted sometimes, but again I would suggest you to go for EPCV to leave no chances of rejection. Now I have some tips to make your EPCV much more impactful. Make sure you update your About Me section to highlight why you are the best fit for a job or why you deserve to be selected in a particular university. Use clear and simple language but powerful and impactful words. List the most recent experience on the top, followed by the previous one. In case of long gaps in working or learning, include an explanation. Check for spelling and grammatical mistakes. Don't add a selfie-like picture of yourself. You should always add a professional photograph of yourself in such documents. So this was all about EPCV. Let us know in the comments if you have any doubt related to EPCV. Thanks for watching.